Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: sleep, hydration, and light. First, note when you slept and aim for 7-9 hours. This anchors recovery. Then drink 250-500 ml water within 15 minutes of waking to restore blood volume and raise alertness. Next, step outside for 10-20 minutes of natural light. This resets circadian cues and reduces morning grogginess. Once done, you'll have activated core systems and be ready to take the first actionable steps toward reducing fatigue. Now you move into execution: light movement and targeted fuel. Start with 5-10 minutes of walking or dynamic stretches to increase blood flow and oxygen delivery. This clears brain fog. Then eat a small balanced snack, one protein source plus one complex carbohydrate, to stabilize glucose and sustain energy. If you still need a boost, take 75-200 mg caffeine only after 60-90 minutes awake to avoid disrupting sleep later. Make sure to pace intake and listen to how your body responds. Finish by creating sustainable habits and one key troubleshooting tip. Schedule rest. Take a 20-40 minute nap or short breaks every 90 minutes to recharge without deep sleep inertia. Keep hydrating, 250 ml every 1-2 hours, and avoid high-sugar drinks that cause crashes. If fatigue persists beyond 2 weeks despite consistent steps, track sleep, meals, stress, and activity for patterns, and consult a clinician. This rules out underlying causes. Use the tracking data to fine-tune daily adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.